In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Strava on your Garmin watch. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so for the first step, we need to install and set up Garmin Connect. So go to your Google Play or App Store and download it. Then from here, we want to go ahead and log into your account or create a new account. Now, once we've done that, we need to link the Garmin Connect to Strava. So once you've logged in, click on your user profile on the top left-hand corner of the page and click on the gear icon to get in the settings. From here, you want to scroll down and click on Connected Apps. Now, inside of Connected Apps, we want to go ahead and click on the Strava. From here, scroll down, click on Agree, and scroll down again. Go ahead and click on authorize. You may need to log in here, so log in with your Strava account and authorize Garmin to share data. This will allow activities recorded on your Garmin watch to automatically sync to Strava. Alright, so once I've done that, it will say Strava, you are connected to Strava. And now you can see all the different things you can connect to, or data shared from Connect to Strava, etc. So you got training courses, activities. If you want to disconnect, you can click on disconnect at any time. Now from here, you can record an activity on your Garmin watch. So on your watch, press the start activity button, select the activity type, for example, run, ride, swim, press start to begin recording. When you're done, press stop and save. Now you can sync activity to Strava. So your activity will first sync to Garmin Connect. From there, it will be automatically uploaded to Strava as long as both accounts are connected. This may take a few seconds to a couple of minutes depending on your internet connection.